When you're looking for a brand new integrated cooling appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're upgrading a fridge freezer, always match the split type to make sure the hinges are in the right position for your cabinet door. There's 3 types to choose from, such as a 50-50 split that has an equal amount of space for fresh and frozen food. For those who need less room for frozen goods, there's the 60-40 split. Or, if your household loves extra room for fresh produce, then you can always go for a 70-30 split. If you're buying an integrated fridge freezer, then you'll need to check the height dimension, which can vary from 130 to 200 centimeters. The width is usually a standard 55 centimeters, but can extend to 60 centimeters, so do check for a snug fit. You don't need to worry about the depth, as it is standard as well, measuring around 55 centimeters. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can relax and enjoy your new appliance.